Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about top 50 blood bank MCQs. Dear students, if you like my videos, please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. Thank you. Dear students, a person with blood group A has which antibodies in their plasma? Option A, NTA, option B, NTB, option C, NTD, and option D, none of the above. So the correct option is B, NTB. Explanation is individuals with blood group A have NTB antibodies naturally occurring in their plasma. This is a key principle of ABO blood group immunology. What is the most important blood group system in transfusion medicine? Option A, kill, B, ABO, C, Duffy, and option D, kid. So the correct option is B, ABO blood system. The ABO system is the most critical because the ABO incompatibility causes immediate and severe hemolytic transfusion reactions. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. So this is very important MCQs. Which blood group is the universal donor for RBCs? Option A positive, B, AB positive, C, O negative, and option D, B negative. So the correct option is C, O negative. O negative RBCs lack A, B, and RHD antigens, minimizing the risk of an immediate immune reaction in most recipients, making it the universal donor for red blood cells in emergencies. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Rh negative individuals produce anti-D antibodies after exposure to option A, Rh positive RBCs, B, Rh negative RBCs, option C, ABO antigens, and option D, none of the above. So the correct option is A, Rh positive RBCs. Rh negative RBCs individual lack anti-D antigen. Its exposure to Rh positive RBCs through transfusion or pregnancy can sensitize the immune system to produce anti-D antibodies. What is the most common blood type worldwide? Option A positive, B, O negative, C, B positive, and option D, AB positive. So the correct option is B, O positive. O positive blood group is the most frequently occurring ABO and Rh blood group combination globally, although prevalence varies by region. Dear students, this is very important MCQ. The purpose of a major cross match is to detect option A, donor antibodies against recipient RBCs, B, recipient antibodies against donor red blood cells, option C, both A and B, and option D, none of these. So the correct option is B, recipient antibodies against donor RBCs. The major cross-match test the recipient's serum against the donor red blood cells to detect antibodies that could cause the hemolytic reaction post-transfusion. Which test confirm blood group before transfusion? Option A, direct Coombs, B, antibody screen, C, forward and reverse blood group, and option D, ELISA. So the correct option is C, forward and reverse grouping. Forward grouping test RBCs with known anti-sera, anti-A, anti-B. Reverse blood grouping test the patient serum with known A and B cells. This dual testing confirms the ABO blood group. Dear students, if you like these videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। So this is last MCQs. An incompatible cross match indicates option A, safe to transfuse, B, risk of hemolytic reaction, C, no effect, and option D, all of the above. So the correct option is B, risk of hemolytic reaction. The incompatibility means antibodies in the recipient plasma react with antigens on the donor RBCs, signaling high risk for hemolytic transfusion reaction if transfused. Thank you for watching my video.